how to solve snapshot effects. If you have any problem with the effects on your snapshot, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, scroll until you find the snapshot app like this. Click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again and now click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these options right here. And the last thing you want to do now is go back into the settings on your phone, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode like this for 6 seconds, and after that disable it. Now all what you want to do next is very simple. Just go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.